Setting up appointments for connecX is easier than ever. Whether you're attending or exhibiting, you can set up appointments in just a few clicks. It's the best way to be sure that you get to meet with the people you came to see. First, you'll get an email from IAPD inviting you to create appointments with connecX exhibitors and attendees. When you're ready to start making appointments, select Schedule Appointments. You'll be directed to the main calendar page of the connecX appointment setting system. From here, select Create Appointment in the top left corner. Select connecX Appointment on the Appointment Type screen. Next, select who you would like to meet. Then click on Add, designated in blue next to Attendees. On this screen, you can select who you would like to make an appointment with. If you are an exhibitor, only non-exhibiting attendees will be available. If you are a non-exhibiting attendee, your list will be exhibitors only. The search bar at the top is a great tool to help find people. Select the person you would like to make an appointment with, then select Add One Attendee at the bottom of the list. Next, you'll choose your time and location by selecting Add, designated in blue. Appointments are listed by time, then by company booth. If you are an exhibitor, select the time that works for you and your company's booth. If you are a non-exhibiting attendee, ensure you have selected the correct booth. For example, if you want to meet with someone at Styles Machinery, select the time that works for you and the Styles Machinery booth number 301. Add a subject letting the other person know that you would like to meet with them. Pro tip: add a description to let them know what you would like to discuss. When you're finished with the subject and description, click Send Appointment Invitation at the bottom of the screen. The attendee you invited will receive an email letting them know you requested an appointment. They have the option to accept or decline the invitation. As the appointment setter, you will also receive an email letting you know they have accepted the meeting invitation. Once the appointment request has been accepted, it will appear on your calendar and theirs too. Anytime you want to check your calendar, edit, cancel, or create new appointments, you can do so using the same Schedule Appointments button in the original email.